Okay guys, I had a request to do a video of my fire alarm collection once again because it has grown, as you can see. So I'm going to do one. You can see just by looking at it, it has grown. So I guess I'll go ahead and show you what I've got in my collection. We will start from this corner and work our way over there eventually. But first up, I have a Firelight BG12 conventional pull station, BG12L. Pushes in, pulls down like that. Let me grab my keys. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like inside. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I'm sure this is nothing new. Model BG12L. Second, got my keys again. Alright, so that's the BG12. Here I have my Spectralert Classic S24-1575W. 1575 candela fixed, as you can see on the bottom, 1575. Fixed fixed strobe. Kinda nice. I guess this is kinda more rare than the red Spectralert, but still kinda cool. Here I have a Potter P32-1T T-bar pulsation. Activates like that. Little T handle. Let me go ahead and open it for you real quick. That. Got it. Open it up. Label is pretty much gone. I put that little label and it says reset. The handle must be pushed back in because it's not a spring-loaded handle. You have to, so you actually have to push it up. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Moving on over here, I have a Spectralert SPSR speaker strobe, Spectralert Advance. 15 candela. Set to right now, at least. It's multi-candela. There's the label. A little bit torn. But yeah, pretty cool. Here I have a Spectralert Advance horn only. HRK. I guess it's the outdoor version horn, but still works indoors. Mounting bracket's white for outdoors. And I don't have the mounting bracket with me for this one, but that one's gray. And a little bit different shaped. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And I have a Spectralert P1224MC multi-candela horn strobe. So I'm 1575 candela right now, but you can tell it's multi-candela. Quick click. Go ahead and grab, I don't have my quick tool with me. Actually, you know, I can just pop it off. Because this one is a little defective. You can pop it off. Almost got it. 1 second. Got it. Multi-candela. Settings of 15. Not like you can see that too well. 1575, 30, 75, and 110. Alright. Go back over here. I have an older BG12. And if you're wondering whatever happened to that other BG12, I traded. And that's how I got my MS6, which we'll get to eventually. That old BG12. Here is my Wheelock NS24MCW-FR. Multi-candela. There's the switch. You can see it just has a little arrow that points to it. And this just snaps off the cover plate. Yep. And there's the coating. the jumper plugs. You can't see inside there. So yeah, the accepted use sticker and the serial number sticker. And here's an alarm that you haven't seen yet. This is a Wheelock 7002. Now this is pretty cool. This is one of the ones that you haven't seen yet. The old Wheelock Signals sticker. Kinda cool. Heavy. But now it's set up for 4-wire. The strobe is wired separately, but I can set it up for 2-wire too. Came with wire nuts. And you can see right here, Series 7224, 18.0 to 31.2 volts DC, and 0.63 amps. That's pretty cool. Quite heavy, as I said earlier. One of the first Wheelock alarms. I think it was the first Wheelock alarm. So here is my Spectral Classic red remote strobe. Older strobe with the screw. S2475. That pops off. Yeah, 75 Candela fixed remote strobe. Doesn't really say it on the bottom, I just wrote that on, except it got all smudged, so it's not really good. It's a nice strobe though, so I like it. Now here's my Wheelock AS without the mounting brackets in the bin on the other side of the room, but Wheelock AS 24100C-FW ceiling mount. There's the Wheelock logo engraved on the side. FCC statement right there. And fixed 100 Candela. Kind of a rare AS, you could say. There's my system sensor i3 4W-B. You've seen that plenty of times. So moving on, I've got this kind of cheap siren strobe thing. I've got my Wheelock WH3T24 remote strobe, non-ADA, 15 Candela, and that's really bright for a non-ADA strobe. Unlike this one that I think is like 0.75 Candela, except it's the same exact type of strobe, you can see. See, different, same strobe, but yeah. This is just a remote strobe version. I guess that you would use this with either a 7002 or a 7002T system. But yeah, kind of cool. It's weatherproof too, so that's pretty cool. Here I've got just my single gang LSM remote strobe. I guess I kind of made it my mini strobe. Kind of falling apart. I gotta fix it. I gotta put the screw back in. 75 Candela. Guess it's my mini strobe, you could say. And here I've got my FCI MS6, except it's not FCI, it's rebranded Fire Alarm Systems Technology. Never heard of it. But if you look, it has kind of a similar logo to EST, so I'm guessing it's by the same company. See, if I took off the A, ST is kind of similar. Pull it. Inside. There's the back of it. Go ahead and grab my keys again. Hard to reset with one hand. I may have to put the camera down for this one. Ugh. There we go. Oh, almost got it. It's hard to reset. Ugh. Alright. Alright. It's hard to reset in general, so yeah. That was a little bit of a challenge. And here is my Wheelock CHDF1 24 LSM VFW chime strobe. 4-wire chime strobe, simple, 24 volts, LSM strobe, 1575 candela. Moving on, I got my Firelight BG8 that's open already. BG8. Moving on up here, I've got my Edwards 270 SPO. I don't have the screwdriver with me, so I'll have to reset that later. Here I have an EST Genesis G1R HOV 15. Fixed 15 candela horn strobe. Quite loud and obnoxious. Now these two devices kind of go together. This is a Nactec, which is my company, Fire Systems control panel wiring board, while this is the switch control section for it. See, so I kind of made it. See, I made a model number for it. It says model IP2FNT, and this is model IPWBNT. And these two go together. You wire these together, and then you wire the notification appliances and the pull stations out of it. See, I put a wiring diagram on it. There's just a warning label that says read all instructions before attempting to wire. I think it's pretty cool because I made it myself. And it looks pretty professional. It fits on a single gang back box. This thing fits on a double gang. It's just a switch, 2 switches. This is the silence and reset silence and reset switch, and this is the drill switch. So, yeah. Anyway, that's pretty cool. I like those. You saw the outside of this last time, but you didn't see the inside. There's the inside. Here I've got my Wheelock RSS, which I actually did a little something on. I actually made it also a ceiling mount RSS by copying the Fire logo on my AS and just putting it on there, so it looks really cool. It's funny. And there's that cheap strobe only. Broken, missing terminals, but it still works. And I've also got Spectral Advanced Back Box. There's the mounting plate for the AS, and an old MT shell. There's the screw for the AS. So yeah, guys, that's my entire alarm collection. Now I gotta put all this stuff away. Ugh. Alright, guys, so I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Bye-bye now.